as a swimmer and an athlete, I need a real cold plunge tub. So I decided to give it a shot and create my own. So I found a stock tank by Rubbermaid. I think I got the 100-gallon stock tank at Tractor and Farm. The stock tank, though, needs to sit on a platform. And I got some cedar planks and decided first I needed to form them to work with the tub. Created a shape or a mold or whatnot that I can use to define where I'm going to do my jig cut. Okay. Oh, holy crap, I'm going into the night here because I want to get this done. And now I have this insulation. My frame is looking really good. Everything was pretty flush. Okay, I'm going late to the night here. I can't help it. I'm getting this done. Okay, so I'm lining the tub with the insulation right now. I got this insulation, but I think I'm going to have to use a different type. And I realized that maybe I made this a little bit too big, or like extending outward on the sides, it's too much. But actually, this is my version, so I don't think it is. I can actually add a ledge here so you can put your drinks or candles or something on the edge around it. It'll be really cool. Thank you, Anushka Shankar. I love that song. I cut all my cedar boards to size. I wish I would have cut them to size so they fit under the lip of the stock tank. Instead, they were about the height of the lip. That meant I was going to have to create a shelf. So what I did is I bought some type of shower lining board and cut that to size. So that became the shelf on the outside. It's not relatively strong, but once I created the mosaic on top, it created strength and it reinforced the shower platform. Digging. I've dug so much, and digging is so cathartic, and it's talk about helping your mental health. Just get a shovel and start digging. I mean, you can dig all your problems away. And that's kind of what I did. It's like a connection of the physical and the mental, exerting a lot of energy and also seeing a product, something come out of it that's tangible. So anyway, I'm going to keep digging, and now I'm going to lay my black tarp so I can then lay my piping for my French drain. And I decided to make this more of a triangular shower. It's not full on privacy, but that doesn't bother me. I did paint the posts because I wanted everything to look rather uniform, and I got this great color. It's called limousine leather. And then I got this obsidian rock. It's not real obsidian, but these black stones to lay in the shower bed to match the paint on the posts. And I was able to put in a soap dish made out of cedar and also attach a really nice shelf, which I also painted black. And then I went to Everett Stone. Thank you so much, Ron. He went out of his way to help. Decided to go with these salmon colored flagstone. They're flat. It feels good on your feet. You
feel one with nature when you're in this. And I, as an open water swimmer, swimming in the Salish Sea, I got a lot of my stone from low tide. When low tide came in, I would find what I thought were the prettiest stones, and I'd bring them back along with driftwood to create this path. Because like I said, I'm trying to do this on the cheap. And it created this Japanese Zen style garden. So I really liked that, being able to use the natural elements and combine my swimming and what I experience in the natural world in this swimmer sanctuary, my outdoor shower, my cold plunge tub. So it's all very organic. Next, the final part was I ordered a Camp Lux heater. And this is a tankless water heater. It's meant for off-grid living or camping, or if you have a house and an outdoor shower. You hook your garden hose up to this heater, and the garden hose, the heater, and the propane all work together to create hot water within. Oh, it also has a rain cap, by the way, and it rains here a lot. And I bought a rain cover for my water heater. This is the beauty of this Camp Lux water heater. By attaching a pump to that water heater, heat my cold plunge tub and turn it into a hot tub. So yes, if I want a hot tub, it's a hot tub. But I'm using cold plunge for cold water adaptation, keep down inflammation, so many benefits to cold water immersion. But I'm super excited about my little swimmer sanctuary. I called it a Nordic sanctuary. I'm not Nordic blooded. I'm completely different than that. But I call this my swimmer sanctuary.